Welcome to another wonderful video session. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you why you are not making money online. Yes. Why are you not making money online? Have you ever asked yourself that question? Have you tried out a lot of things and they never worked? Yes, they never worked because you are missing out something. And let me tell you, if you don't pick that correction, in the next 100 years to come, you are going to be doing the same mistake and you will never go anywhere. You are going to be creating accounts all over the place, following all those sort of links. At the end of the day, you end up nowhere and you are going to be wasting your valuable time, wasting your data with nothing to show for it. If not, if care is not taken, you are going to be losing your money with all those Ponzi scheme, which at the end of the day, sooner or later, you got to realize that you are just wasting your entire life. Which, if you are to start out what I'm going to be talking about in this video for the next 5 years, you would have been better off than just wasting your valuable time on those things. So first of all, you need to know what to do. So what exactly are you supposed to do? Most people have got to understand that they don't understand the concept of digital marketing very well. Yes, failure to understand this concept of digital marketing has landed them into doing this and then following all sorts of people who are doing this instead of them to actually do this. So this and this are not the same. So if you are doing this, you might end up wasting your entire life on this internet space. But if you are doing this, you have a higher chance of making something productive out of it in the next 15 years to come. Yes, a lot of people were misled with the concept of monetization. They went into doing this and a lot of them have abandoned those accounts. That is the truth. If you understand what, by the time I'm done in this video, you would have understood why you shouldn't have any business doing this in the first place. That if you have, a lot of people have left their valuable businesses, they have wasted their money doing this instead of actually building those businesses by just doing this. So what exactly is the difference? Digital marketing, you understand that it's all about taking advantage of the internet space to build your presence on the internet space. But yes, this is very important. Content creation is very important, but this is exactly what you're supposed to do. Because if you cannot understand these two concepts, you will not understand how to really make the money out of it. Because doing this, most people who do this content creation, they create all this content and pop all sort of information online for you, giving you all sort of hope and telling you that this platform is paying, this one is paying. Yes, they make their money by telling you all those information. That is why some people have said people who make money online by teaching people how to make money online. Yes, that is the truth, because that is where these people make their money. They tell you all sort of things that they know that is practically impossible for you to do. While we in this other end, in my own case, I'm teaching you how to do this. While in this case, for you to do this, it means you must be willing to put in your time, your money, and your effort. These three things, you cannot run away from it. A lot of people are running away from it. That's why they are going for this, which at the end of the day, they get frustrated and they drop everything. So this is it. So content creation is also very important when it comes to doing this. That is building an online business, but they are not the same. So there are content creators. These ones, they make their money by telling you also to give marketing information, while in this case you are setting up your own business online. I'm going to show you some practical example now. So let's say, for example, you are going to a location for the very first time. Let me open Google Map now. So this is Google Map now, for example. Let's say, for example, we have Lagos at the bottom here. This is Lagos. You can see it. This is Lagos, Nigeria. So let's take, for example, I'm going to Lagos for the very first time. And on my arrival on Lagos, a lot of people are now using Google Map now. I don't know the route very well. On my way, I'm hungry. So on my arrival at the airport, I need to get a car hiring services, which I don't want to get somebody directly from the airport, because sometimes they might want to charge me very high. So I want to get a service that is of my interest. Talk, for example, I now come here and now say car hiring services. You can see car hiring services in Lagos, and I click here. Don't worry, you're going to see the Google Map will bring me the car hiring services that are available on Lagos. So when you look at this left hand side, you can see easy car hire. This is a car hiring service. You can see the information is a car rentals agency. They gave me their location, very affordable and everything. So Max Ford car rental. So you can see this is an online business that we're talking about here. This is what, if you're already into car hiring services, this is what you are supposed to be doing. Stop wasting your time doing all those, creating all those links with hope that they will pay you one day. This is what you are supposed to do. You are supposed to pay professionals or contact some of us to do certain things for you like this, so that you build your online presence for your business. Then as time goes on, customers will get in touch with you. You can see the person's contact here, you can see contact here, you can see all sort of things. Even the same thing, let's say for example restaurants in Lagos. If you are a restaurant business owner, this is what you are supposed to do. This is what you are supposed to be taking advantage of. When I type it, you can see mainland Lagos. Let's take for example mainland Lagos. I'm arriving in Lagos for the very first time. I want to get the closest restaurant close to me. You can see them. So I can see all sort of their information, and then I go for the one I want. You can see their environment, you can see. So I go for what I want. So this is how people take advantage of the internet space to create their presence. All these reviews you are seeing, they pay people to get them to do these things. The setting up of these things are done by people, professionals who knows how to do this thing. So this is what you are supposed to be doing. Instead of hope, you can see this one has even put a price for his own meal, 2,000 to 4,000 naira. So that means I can confidently go to this person, let's say for example, based on my budget. Or if I feel this budget is too high, I can go for this person. Or I can go for this person. If I'm a top-notch person, I can go for this person, 20,000 per plate. So this is what you're supposed to be doing. So rather than go to be looking for all sort of things, you see, the internet space is like creating a bank account. Creating all those links are like creating bank accounts. Creating bank accounts are not enough. You must deliberately work very hard to put those money in those bank accounts. And guess what? This digital marketing, the internet space have made it very easy that you can create your presence. That means your business that you're already running offline in real life, a replica of it on the internet space, for better visibility and for a wider customer range. And you can actually do this by getting professionals that know how to do these things. And some of us also, I've also introduced you to a platform where you can hire people to do certain things for you like this. I will leave the link to this platform on the description box of this video. I've taught you guys how to use these things to make more money from it, rather than hoping that one Ponzi scheme will give you money for the rest of your life. It's pure waste of time. Take advantage of the internet space, build a much more stronger brand on the internet space, and attract more people that will be able to patronize you. It's better than wasting all those time. That is the truth about why you are not making money online. When you understand this, you are going to stop wasting your time on those links. Most people don't know this. That is why they are still struggling. You can also do this for your friends and your families to also help them build their online business, while they get to pay you, or you work with them maybe by managing those aspects, even including their social media handle, by linking it up with all this on Google Map. Because the truth there is, we live in a world where everybody uses Google Map. Yes, plus or minus, out of every 10 people, at least 8 or 7 uses Google Map. So out of these 8 or 7 people that use Google Map, plus or minus 5 take advantage of this Google Map to buy one or two things or the other. Not only on Google Map, either even on some of these online stores that you get to see, like Amazon, Konga, and the rest of them, Temu, and the rest of them. So take advantage of these things. It's much more profitable than all those links that promise you heaven and earth. Put 20,000 naira, put 50,000 naira. Then at the end of the day, you waste your entire life. At the end of the day, they take that money and you never get to see. Just like what happened with some people. After tapping on their phone screen for 5 months, they were paid only how much? That is pure waste of time. What if they invest in this kind of opportunity? This is more profitable than all those nonsense a lot of people are promising you. So I've also showed you my dashboard on severally on this platform. Yes, the thing there is making money just the way it is in real life. That is how it is on the internet space. There is no any money anywhere. You need to understand that you don't have any power to make any money. Yes, you only get to get money from people who need your product, who need your services. That is how it is. Yes, and you also pay other people for product and services that they're delivering to you. That is how money is being made. So you cannot produce any money. There is no any link that is generating any money. Even those who claim to be investing in crypto and forex, let me tell you the truth. If you cannot invest your time, your money, and even your effort to monitor that money you are also putting online, you are going to lose that money. A lot of people have lost money until today. They are still losing money, and people are losing billions of naira on this internet space. So you need to be aware of it. So you have to prepare your mind. First, you need to have the proper mindset about money. If you cannot have the proper mindset about money, please just forget about the internet space. Just go and continue to suffer in your offline life until you get tired of the whole thing. So thank you for being there. I believe this video has really been of help to you, and you are going to be learning more. This is not only for restaurant business, even carpentry. By the time I come here, and let's say I type carpentry in Canada, carpenter in Canada. Let's say for example, I'm arriving in Canada for the first time. You can see Carpenter Canada code. So you can see it's already giving me suggestions. So that is how it is. And in my next video, I'm going to be introducing you guys to the concept of SEO. Yes, that is search engine optimization. There are certain things that when you are setting up your own business online, you need to be aware of. And this is why it is very, very important. So remember, I've also talked about positioning yourself on the internet space. This is part of the positioning that I'm talking about. I've explained this in one of my videos earlier. So catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe as I continue to give you high valuable information that will really help you to build or scale up your business online. So see you in my next video once again. Don't forget to subscribe. You can comment if you need any help or you need better understanding or any guidance in the comment section. Thanks.